you'll see a lot of people. They will come to you looking. They have lost their jobs, and there will be like a lot of things which are going to happen. So, as an astrologer, you know it very well. So,
So I've
what
got
kind
so
of
many inquiries already.
what kind of tip you would like to give to a normal person, or what kind of mantra you would say that will really help the viewers uh, to help them get the job faster, or like in your case itself. Sorry, like in your case itself, like you said, there was a time you went to a person and he asked you to do it, and you got within 7 weeks you got the results.
Yes, yes.
So what kind of thing that you would suggest to our viewers, that if they lose their jobs or if they lose anything, like that will help them, a mantra or something like that, which will help any person.
The most important and planet in the horoscope is Jupiter. So they can chant a mantra for Jupiter. So they can just chant Om Gram Greem Grom Sa Gurve Nama. That's a mantra for the Jupiter, and they can chant it, and that can help them a lot because Jupiter is our overall karka for us, starting from a childhood till the age of till the time we alive, right? For our youngsters, it is a karka of jobs, your career, your health, your money. It manages everything, your knowledge. So they can chant a mantra of Jupiter. Along with that, they can chant Hanuman Chalisa so that they should not go much into debt. And I give you very wonderful tip for the people who are into debt because so many people are about to go into debt. Once they will lose their job, they have installment, they have more expenses, right? They have to get up in the morning. This is a tip for everybody. Whosoever doesn't get respect in the society, their career is not booming up. So this is a tip for to fix up your Mars. So get up in the morning and take a bath before sunrise, right? And as soon as sunrise happen, so you sit it in front of sun. Close your eyes, and take sun as a dot. Just close your eyes and take sun as a dot and chant this mantra. Om Ang Angakara Ankaray Nama. This is a Mangal mantra. Om Ang Angakaray Nama. So you can search it online as well if you don't get the pronunciation. So you just add this Om Ang, so it will come automatically in the Google. You just chant this. It is a booster for Mangal. So it will not let you down. It will not let you down. So that will help you a lot. And before doing this mantra, you can fix your sun as well. Once you have to do this mantra, before that, just for 5 minutes, once sunrise is happening, just put your eyes in sun and feel the radiation is going in your body. Fold your hand for 2 minutes and worship Lord Sun to give you happiness, and it will certainly give you a good career as well and help you that as well. So it will fix your sun, Mars, and Jupiter mantra I've already given you. These are the three planets who are the major karaka of everything. So they will not get let down. So if they will have any bad planet in the horoscope like Shani, Rahu, Ketu, they will fix with the Mangal only. And along with that, they're fixing their sun, Jupiter, Mars. That is more than enough. And you don't have to spend even a single penny. All you have to do is have it sitting at
So
home.
just a question that will come to any new person or any layman. Even though when we were saying about this, you have been very kind enough to give this mantras for Jupiter as well as the solution for Sun and Mars. So if the Sun is by doing this thing, if the Sun is depleted, like in the seventh house, the Sun is depleted. Apart from that, if it is sitting with some like Rahu and Ketu, this will help them out in that as well.
100%. If the sun is good, it will become excellent. If the sun is bad, it will become neutral. If it is neutral, it will become good. See, you are enhancing the radiation of sun in your body. And I also just give you a little brief how you get to know your sun is weak or not without seeing the kundli, right? If you feel lazy, if you feel very lazy, If you are habit of not being in discipline, suppose you have committed something, you're not doing it on time, your son is weak, you don't get respect in society, your son is weak, you don't have good relation with father, so your son is weak, your father passed away at a very early age, so your son is weak, your career is not booming up, your son is weak, and 90% professional they face this issue. They never have a good relationship with their bosses. They always have a problem with their bosses. Your son is weak.
Mhm.
If somebody has an issue with the liver, heart problem, eyes problem, bones, your son is weak. So it will give you multiple benefits, and you will start gaining respect in the society. You will get to know people who used to ignore you, they will start asking for you, and it will just happen in 20 to 30 days, not much time. You just have to fold your hands and sit it in the sunshine for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you see the impact.
So, like coming back to the thing, you would have seen in especially in our part of Asia, we never land up in the place where we want to land up. Like if we want to do something else, we always land up doing something else. Like just have you seen this movie called Three Idiot?
Yes,
So it is just like the two people with the Amir Khan. They were doing science where they never wanted to be in science.
yes.
So for the young generation, what kind of advice you would like to give? Definitely they have to respect their parents. Definitely they
Yes.
have to. So what kind of advice would you give to the young generation, like
See,
after
so many
fulfilling their
people,
wishes of parents?
yes. So many people come to us and they say, my heart says this, but I have to do this. Whatever your heart say, what does it mean? It means that your soul is asking you to do the same. That is sun. Planet Sun is asking you to do the same. I see. I wanted to be an astrologer at the age of 20, but because of society pressure and all, I had to do job. Then I became. I worked hard a lot, and I became head of a company for 2 states. And finally, again, I land up into astrology. So what if I had been doing it full time by the age of 20? So I would have been somewhere else, right? See, the thing is, we go against the planets. That's the reason we face problems. So if you're a good astrologer, nowadays there is a provision. If I talk about 20 years ago, if somebody is an engineer, they cannot change their stream. They have no option. Now there are n number of options. There are n number of short courses, 2 months, 3 months courses that they can do side by side, and they can start doing part-time work in it, and later on they can become full-timers. So if anybody has done that mistake, they're not happy with their profession, they're not taking it like that, and their planets are not supporting. So I will suggest them to do some course of 2 3 months, try your luck in that as well. So let's see what works. So that might be the right option for you to help you out. I'll give you an example. Now, most of the people who are into job, sitting idle at home and calling me, there is no salary, a lot of expenses. And our work is getting double sitting at home. Because this was what my soul was asking me to do that. I'm made for that. So same goes for them as well. So from wherever they get a kick, like in Salman Khan movie, he has also said that. So from whatever profession they get a kick, that becomes their hobby and they can give their best. And if they're getting kick from something, it means that planet is good sitting somewhere and asking them to do that. But few people are able to come out of it and few people are not. But nowadays it's very easy. There are 2 months, 3 months, 5 months short courses, part times. They just have to do some extra effort that can shape their life. So I will tell them first of all, never go for the wrong profession. So if you go with the flow of a river, journey will be very easy for you. If you will go against the river, so you will keep on getting ups and down, ups and down, ups and down in your life. So rather than fixing a planet for lifetime, it is always good to do a work or a profession for a planet that is by default naturally supporting you.
That is something really very nice to know. And so there will be two questions that I would. It is something like a very sarcastical question, but I've seen a lot of astrologers who have came to this industry of sorry to say to the field of astrology. They were either the head of something, they were doing something as managing something, or they were connected with the science deeply. So has there some particular planet other than Jupiter got to do with astrology? Because
See,
again, Shukra is also one of the Karaka.
if you are a banker, your Jupiter is good. If you are a scientist, your Jupiter is good. If you are an astrologer, your Jupiter is good. So somebody is a scientist. Somewhere in the life, Jupiter may influence them to become astrologer. So they make their mind so correctly and make their mind so strongly, they come into that. But suppose you say Shukra and all that things, once they will not get support from Jupiter, nobody can come into astrology. If they will come, they will not survive and they will just go ahead and do something else. So anyhow, I must say somebody is asking me for an astrologer. If your Jupiter is sitting in first house, second house, fifth house, ninth house, 12th house, it influences you more to become an astrologer
So
in
what
a
about
horoscope.
Jupiter in 11th house?
11th house is good. It is more of fulfilling your wishes. In 11th house, malefic planets work very good, like Mars, then Rahu, Ketu, Venus, or Sun, you can say that up to some level. In third house and 11th house, Mars, Rahu, Ketu works extremely very good. So they give very good results. In all the businessman horoscopes, you will see they have 11th house Rahu. 11th house Rahu, if it is sitting in a wrong sign, so it bothers you more up to the age of 20. By that time, you don't get to know because you have nothing to do with business and all. You are more into studies. Up to the age of 30, it goes into from red to light red. I have to say, if I have to mark it as in red to a journey of green, so it turns into light red. Then it start working good once you get married. So once you get married, up to the age of 32, it comes to be very light red. And from the age of 32, it start going towards the yellow. Then it gives you the actual wealth you wish for. So this is how it works.
And, so, apart from the planetary combinations, apart from all these things, if a person is coming to you for consultation and you find like the person like his malefics are there, and you know definitely there are a lot of people you would have faced, like no matter whatever you tell them, they will come to you, they will take your consultation, but they're not going to perform the remedy.
That's why I offer very few remedies. This is not with the most of the people, this is the almost everybody. And whatever remedy I offer them, I tell them strictly. People pamper them a lot. I show them reality a lot. If you're not gonna do this, this may happen. So be aware. So don't because if I'm telling them the severity of the thing, then only they will be interested. If I'm telling them for the sake of doing it, they will do it or might not do that. And if I can see as a consultant, I can see there are good chances of some major problem in the future. So rather than cribbing at that time, we better tell them right now that be aware and you have to do it any cost. Sometimes if I find very serious, so I have a broadcast group for them. I keep on taking follow up. Are you doing it or not? So this is how I build a very good relation with our clients. So they feel very happy. Now they feel that he was not meeting us just for the sake of money. So I certainly want that my everyday routine and everyday consultation, I always try that I should give 100% results to everybody. At least they should get a benefit of a 50 rupees. They have come to me for 100 rupees. That depends upon their karma and the way they are doing.
So are you also are you also teaching astrology to some
Yes,
students?
I just started a month ago. Just started a month ago. I started online classes. I just
And
started
online
21
classes as
days.
well.
Yeah, 21 days short course, and you will become very good astrologer in it.
Fantastic.
Because
Within
all I will
21 days.
Yes, all I will teach you that is actually practically required to see a horoscope. Otherwise, if you take courses, you get more of a knowledge that you're not going to apply practically. So I give more practical knowledge that is gonna happen and that is gonna help them a lot, and that is up to a very deeper level. So they learn it, they apply it, and side by side they can enhance their knowledge from the internet and the books that they have to gain. But anyhow, whatever we are offering in the course, I'm offering in the course that is sufficient to see a horoscope.
So,
I have
sir,
a different way of seeing everything in the Kundli in comparison to other people they do. In India, if you have to match a horoscope for a marriage, they will just see how many guns are matching and seventh house lord and Lagna lord and Rashis, and they will just say yes for it. But they never see where the boy's moon is sitting and where the girl's moon is sitting, where the boy Venus is sitting and where the girl's Venus is sitting, because these are the two major things that comes after a marriage. First is we don't have understanding. Second is we don't have love between each other. That's a major cause of divorce. So I always see. So if the boy moon is sitting ahead from a girl's moon, for example, boy's moon is sitting in the third house and the girl's moon is sitting in the fourth to sixth house. So they will have a good understanding. So if a boy moon is sitting in the eighth house and girl's moon is sitting in the third house, every planet combination is good, but they will never have a good understanding even after the marriage. So they will have to face that issues. And same goes for the Venus. So you have to see that as well. People skip it. Once they skip it, then people say once I showed the horoscope, 33 guns were matching and all that thing, but now there is nothing. So we have
oh,
to
this
see
is
so
something
many
very
things.
fantastic, actually. This is something
Yes,
really very, very fantastic. Like, if the boy's moon is ahead of
girls
the
moon.
woman's moon. Okay.
So then if you're in future, if you're doing any consultation, boys coming to you, girls are coming to you, showing their horoscope, having issues after married life, you just ask them by just seeing things, how's your understanding? And the amount of understanding, lesser or more, will be depends upon how far is the moon sitting from each other
Okay.
horoscope. Suppose uh, boy moon is sitting in the third house, girl's moon is sitting in the 12th house, then understanding is worst between each other because it's 10 houses away. So boy will say left, right, girls will say right. You have to fix it.
So, now, just to ask you a small question. If the boy's moon is in the sixth house
Yes,
and the girl's moon is in the seventh house, there is only
yes,
one house difference. So
yes.
still there will be a mismatch.
Depends upon the sign. No, then there will be not much mismatch. I'm saying the closer the moon sitting
Probability will
in,
be less.
the 90% thinks they will be agree, 10% thinks they will be not. That's okay. But if it is in third house in the 12th, so there will be 90% disagreement.
Okay.
Then there will be
Okay.
fights. There will be fights. And there is
Okay.
one more thing. If you compare the same with the Venus, boy Venus is sitting in the third house, girl Venus is sitting in the 11th house. Then boy will love the girl a lot, but girl will not love him much. So you have to fix the girl's Venus so that that relationship can get maintained. This is how you need to see the things. Because anyhow, whatever Mahadasha is going on, these planets, if these planets will get fixed, 70% problems will get solved. Because
Right.
these planets are the karka of love. So if they get well strong, so they will certainly enhance the love. Once love will increase, their understanding will increase. So they will not get separated.
If I was to sum up, like, so many things we came across, which we actually never thought of coming through. We discussed about the matching of the horoscope. We discussed about
Yes,
Mahalakshmi. We discussed about the loss of job. We discussed about the debilitated sun. We discussed about the dignity of the human being, and
I
one
give
thing
you
in
I give you one more tip. That is very important. If anybody is coming to you for any problem, whether it's a court issue, household issue, anything, you just fix their moon and Mercury, especially Mercury. If you fix anybody's Mercury, suppose 50 problems have come to me, I have a sufficient intelligence to come out of it. Whether it is a money, if you have a weak Mercury, I give you 10 lakh rupees, you will just go ahead and spoil it. If you have a good Mercury, I'll give you 1000 rupees, you will make 1 lakh. So you have to see this thing because at every decision of life, Mercury is required. You are going from home to office. Which way to follow? Mercury is working. Somebody is abusing you. So you have to just fight with them, or you just have to pamper them, or just have to request them not to do that. That depends on the Mercury. So intelligence, once intelligence get activated, then you can do anything because brain is the only thing in the body. Once it sits down, then nothing works. If we don't have one hand, it will body will work. If we don't have one leg, body will work. So you have to fix the mercury. If we'll fix the mercury, their life will become very easy. Suppose boy and girl, they always have a very big fight, and you're unable to understand what is happening in the horoscope. Just fix both mercury. They will go home and not fight because they know that end of the day both of them are gonna waste their time and frustration and all other things. So at least they have intelligence.
so, there is another thing which the KP had came up with the solution of, which is the birth time rectification, which is very difficult in Parashray.
I tell
And
you,
major of the people practicing Parashray, they find this difficulty still date. They find this difficulty to get the proper events and the proper time, which
see,
KP has.
that is the problem in Vedic as well. I tell you how. Somebody has a birth time of 7:30 and people see as their horoscope and they take as a time of 7:15, 7:20. Horoscope doesn't change. Do you agree with it?
Yes, I do agree with you.
But one thing changes that make the major difference in the horoscope. That is your degree of lagna. I'm not talking about lagna lord. I'm talking about lagna.
Degree of the Lagna will change, definitely. Yes.
If degree of lagna has been changed from 6 to 7, suppose it was 20 and 27, your entire observation will change. If you have to see the Kundli very deeply, because we say 0 to 6 degree, the planet is in situation of a child, 6 to 12, it is in situation of 20 years, 50% activated, then 12 to 18, it is 100% activated, then 18 to 24, it is again 50%, then 20 to 29, it is 25%. Do you agree with it?
Yes, sir. I made a video also for that one.
Then tonight see the horoscope of Mr. Narendra Modi, and you will see he's the most powerful person. And the planets that are going on right now are 0 degree,
Okay.
and he's the most powerful person.
Because of
Then
the.
then you see the degree of Lagna. His degree of Lagna is 0.5. So if the degree of a planet is within 3 points minus or 3 points plus, that planet is the most strongest planet in the horoscope.
Wow.
Don't go by the calculation of 15%. That is just 15 degree, 20 degree. That is just basic. So you have to see. That's the reason once you will see his chart, his moon Mahadasha is going on. That is 0 degree. And you see how powerful he is. But once you'll see his Lagna, that Lagna is also 0.7 something. That's the reason his moon is the most powerful planet that is going on right now. So the way the degree of the Lagna and the planet is, the weaker the planet is.
All right. All right.
This is how
So,
you get to know which stone is required.
okay. this is a common thing which is coming as a newcomer. Just I'm putting my mind as a newcomer. Lagna is sun,
No,
Atmakaraka.
no. Lagna is a number. Suppose you have born with the sign of Gemini. So the Lord of Gemini, that is Mercury, will have a different degree, and the number three Gemini will have a different degree. So we have to see the degree of the Lagna. Whosoever planet is more near with the degree of Lagna, that is the most powerful planet in the horoscope. Now, problem is within 10 minutes, the Lagna changed the degree by 6 to 7. So this is how we just judge the horoscope incorrectly because sometimes we feel that this planet is the most powerful planet, that is a weaker planet, and sometimes we feel that this is a weaker planet, 29 degree, that is a powerful planet. That's the reason variation comes into the prediction.
Because as I understand in Parashar, it has been given like every 2 hours the Lagna changes.
Lagna I understand changes, but the degree of the Lagna I'm talking about.
The degree of the Lagna will
See,
also.
see, if two people have been born, somebody is born on the same date at 7:20, and somebody is born on the same date at 7:30. So will their career be same? So the degree of that lagna is gonna put the impact. That's a reason we need 100% correct time. Though the chart will be same, but the planet's degree, Shani was worst, but their degree goes into that thing, it decreases its bad result. Jupiter was average, but as per the degree, it became powerful planet. So that will change the entire chart. You have to see that as well. There are so
This
many
is
volatile.
reminding me of the Gemini actually.
Yeah. So you will see so many powerful people in the world. Once you will practice the horoscope, you will see their planets are 28 degree, 29 degree. Venus is 29 degree. They are performing very well in the Bollywood. How is it possible? It is almost dead. It is almost at the last stage of life situation. You can say 0% active or 5% active. So how is it possible they are playing so much? Once you will see their Lagna degree, then you will get to know that's the reason why it is powerful. Because I keep on seeing
Actually,
these
it is
horoscope.
reminding me of the Bollywood star Sanjay Dutt.
Yes.
Even though his son was in the ninth house, still, even after that, after getting into the films, getting his career settled, everything, he still had the support of his father.
Yes. Because even not after the getting into Bollywood, but since childhood he must have support of his father. Son is good. Son is sitting in a very good house, that is house of luck, and with a very good sign, that is Sagittarius. So it will certainly boost it and help it. Rest depends on the degree and all the things. People who get successful in their life, who becomes self-made crorepati before the age of 30, all have excellent sun. That is the only planet that is the decision maker before the age of 30.
Sir, coming to your, are you going to publicize your classes for the 21 days?
Yeah, yes, I am.
Because you're going to do it over the net. It will be on the internet.
Yes,
So, what kind of fees will it be charged?
I'm just charging 50, 100, right, for one person to get that.
Whether
And
it
that
be
will be
a person from India and a person from abroad.
any anywhere. See, I'm not much into money. You work honestly, money will follow you. You work honestly, money will follow you. There is no shortage of client in this world. Everybody has some problem. So if people are ready to give you ethically, so why you need more money unethically? So I just have one charges for everybody. Though if somebody they don't understand Hindi, so I have to take other classes in English. If somebody wants personal classes, then I charge more. Like a group of 4 people only. They have so many concerns. Then I charge more.
So any other thing would what you would like to say to the audience for the betterment of
I just want to say one last thing. This is not related to astrology. Everybody has two palms with a different lines in it. Why is it so? This is something that you have taken along with you. That is your previous life karma, and this is something that is your making. Whenever God give you 1,000 rupees, they give you 100 rupees out of it to donate it to the society, to donate it to the people who did bad karma in their previous life and now they are sitting at orphanage houses and all that places. Just go there. They are also my children. Give them something to eat, help them, and 90 rupees is all yours. But what you do, you enjoy with that 10 rupees as well. You spend it in the bars, you drink, you do all that things. That's the reason God punishes you. This is works like a multi-level marketing. You donate 100 rupees, God will become happy. Now I got a partner who's gonna do the same thing and he will take my burden. So God will give you more money. You donate more, you will get more. You donate more, you will get more. This is how you can improve your karma. And once you keep on improving your karma, your Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu, they start giving you good results, and you make more money. The biggest example of that is Salman Khan as of today. So he's always into donation. You can see in last 25 years, I don't think so. His income has gone down. Other people are always ups and down, ups and down. He's never down in income thing. Reason being, he's donating like anything. He's making like anything. So you have to develop this habit. I'm not saying donate that much. At least donate 5 kg atta a week on Saturday or any day you want to. Do it with the purpose of humanity, not by the purpose of remedy. So you donate anytime, any day, 5 kg atta a week. You just have to skip one pizza. But with that 5 kg atta, at least 50 people will have one time chapatis. So once 50 stomachs are connected with you, how can God take your food from you? So you have to bring partnerships. People who are getting a pain in recession and this thing you're discussing, they don't have that much good karma. That's the reason they have put into that pain. This 2020, as of numerology, it is a number four. Number four is a number of Rahu. And Rahu is 3 times critical than Shani. That's the reason Rahu is not concerned whether your job is going or not. He has to punish you, whatever you have done.
so thank you very much.